This video highlights some of the new and updated features of Brightspace Learning Environment 20.21.9. This feature releases the new Delete Submitted Files permission, which determines whether or not you can delete an assignment submission file. To enable, the new Delete Submitted Files permission is turned on by default for existing roles with the See and Manage Assignment Submission folders and View Submitted Files permissions, and it is turned off for all other roles. This feature implements PI item D1620. Instructors can now specify the extensions of files that learners can upload as assignment submissions. To enable, ensure that the D2L.tools.dropbox.restrict file extensions configuration variable is set to on. This feature implements PI items D138, D4412, D8087, D3945, and D6154. This feature releases the following permissions: user information privacy, see pronouns, account settings, set my pronoun. To enable, set the D2L.settings.enablePronouns configuration variable to on, and enable the new set my pronoun permissions to a user's role. Users can set their pronouns through account settings. Note: the user role must also have the user information privacy and see pronouns permissions enabled to see pronouns set by the users they interact with in the respective user's profile card. This feature implements PI items D5207 and D7231. This release adds the following new columns to the quiz attempts Brightspace dataset: due date, time limit, grace period, time limit enforced, grace period exceeded behavior, and extended deadline. To enable, ensure the Can Access Brightspace datasets permission is granted to administrators at the org level. New datasets appear the first time in the dataset runs after the CD update. An improved editing experience for Scorm topics is available to instructors in the new content experience. With the new Create and Edit experience enabled, a new edit page for Scorm topics allows instructors to edit dates and associated grade items from the new content experience. Previously, users could not set dates or change the associated grade item in the new content experience. To enable, ensure the new content experience is enabled or that instructors can opt into the new content experience using the d2l.tools.content.lessons create experience opt-in configuration variable. With this release, Domo Employee ID, which is the same as Brightspace User ID, is replacing Domo's employee number. Employee ID is now a trusted attribute in self-serve analytics along with employee email. The employee number field is being deprecated by Domo and will no longer be supported after Brightspace Platform 20.21.12. To enable, this feature is automatically enabled for self-serve analytics users. Users must have the Can Use Self-Serve Analytics permission to view this feature.